Hey everyone! Looking for the best cordless rivet gun tool to speed up your fastening projects? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing cordless rivet gun tools of the year, considering power, battery life, features, and real-life usability. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Labfintom Cordless Rivet Gun. The Labfintom Cordless Rivet Gun rounds out this list as a versatile and efficient tool compatible with DEWALT 20-volt batteries. This makes it a great option for anyone who already owns DEWALT tools and wants to expand their battery platform. With support for aluminum and stainless steel rivets in sizes 1/8, 5/32, and 3/16 of an inch, it adapts easily to a wide range of projects. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers up to 2,000 pounds of pulling force. This ensures that the tool operates with both power and efficiency, handling lightweight applications like installing gutters and panels, as well as heavy-duty tasks such as automotive repairs and metal construction. Compared to brushed models, its brushless design offers longer life, quieter operation, and reduced maintenance. Number 4. Cerycose Cordless Rivet Tool. The Cerycose Cordless Rivet Tool is an impressive choice for users who want affordability and compatibility with Milwaukee 18-volt batteries. This tool brings cordless convenience to a wide range of projects, giving users freedom of movement while maintaining dependable power. Its brushless motor is designed to provide a high pulling force that makes fastening quick and efficient, even with tougher rivets. Ease of use is one of the defining characteristics of this rivet gun. It includes an auto-fastening and spitting mechanism for efficient rivet placement, reducing the amount of effort required. The design ensures stability in the middle section of the tool, while the LED work light improves visibility when working in dim conditions. This feature is especially useful for indoor projects or tight workspaces. The Cerycose rivet gun includes 3 interchangeable nose pieces for 1/8, 5/32, and 3/16 of an inch rivets. It also comes with aluminum rivets in multiple sizes, making it ready to use right away. The quick, tool-free nose piece change is a great feature, helping users switch between different rivet sizes seamlessly. Number 3. Decwls Cordless Rivet Gun. The Decwls Cordless Rivet Gun is a versatile and budget-friendly alternative that does not compromise on performance. Designed to be compatible with DEWALT 20-volt batteries, this rivet tool offers cordless convenience without the restrictions of cables, making it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists. Its compact and portable design allows users to work comfortably in tight or elevated areas where larger tools may be difficult to maneuver. At the heart of this rivet tool is a high-torque brushless motor that delivers a pulling force ranging between 2,248 and 2,698 pounds. This ensures it can easily handle even stubborn rivets with accuracy and reliability. The brushless motor also extends the tool's lifespan while minimizing heat and wear during prolonged use. An intelligent self-protection system automatically shuts the tool down if it overheats, preventing damage and improving durability. The Decwls rivet gun comes as a complete kit, which adds exceptional value. It includes 3 interchangeable rivet heads, a wrench, and 150 rivets, 75 made from aluminum and 75 made from stainless steel. All accessories are neatly packed in a durable carrying case, making it easy to stay organized and ready for any project. Number 2. DEWALT 20 VMAX XR Cordless Rivet Tool. The DEWALT 20 VMAX XR Cordless Rivet Tool is another top-tier option that excels in both power and precision. Known for its rugged build and innovative design, this model is perfect for professionals who need a dependable rivet tool that can handle demanding tasks. Equipped with a high-performance brushless motor, it delivers up to 2,100 pounds of pulling force, making it strong enough to fasten rivets made of stainless steel, aluminum, or other tough materials. One of the key highlights of this rivet tool is its efficiency. It can complete up to 800 rivets per charge, which maximizes productivity and reduces downtime. The tool's stroke length of nearly 1 inch allows rivets to be fastened in one smooth motion, ensuring faster and cleaner results. This is particularly useful in large-scale projects where speed and precision are equally important. Convenience is another strength of the DEWALT DCF403B. It features tool-free nose change capability and onboard nose piece storage, allowing users to switch between different rivet sizes quickly. Compatible with sizes ranging from 3/32 to 3/16 of an inch, it adapts easily to a wide variety of applications. The integrated mandrel collector is another thoughtful addition, capturing loose mandrels and keeping the workspace safe and tidy. Number 1. Milwaukee Electric Rivet Tool. The Milwaukee Electric Rivet Tool is a standout performer and earns the top spot on this list for its combination of durability, convenience, and power. As part of the respected Milwaukee M12 series, it offers consistent results and has built a strong reputation among professionals who demand reliability from their tools. Designed for pulling rivets of multiple sizes including 3/32, 1/8, 5/32, and 3/16 of an inch, it provides flexibility across a variety of projects. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.